Hello, my name is John Jairo Peña. Pamplona, the Mitred city. Easter plan oferta. Pamplona, better known as the Mitred site, is located between Cúcuta and Bucaramanga. Its climate is cool and low temperatures, and night is a very interesting place because it's the oldest city in departamento. You can visit Pamplona during the Holy Week. In this week you can find different religious activities that have been a good representation of Colombia tradition. On these holidays, special activities on Thursdays and Thursdays, the procession and holy sacraments, liturgical ceremonies, the sermon of the seven words. You can also take the ecological walk to Hill of the Three Crows, and on Sunday the week ends with the portions of the Rice Christ. You can visit the Ramirez Villamizar Museum of Modern Art, the House of the Royal Box, Religious Art Modern Museum, and Swatigi House Museum, or Lady of Mount Carmel Church, Colonial House, and Santuario of the Lord de Humilladero, de Calle Real en norte de Santander, Pamplona, la Plaza de la Almeida, especialmente el obelisco. The main point is the Royal Street and center of Pamplona, where is the traditional to see tons of visitors buying these productos to their revelites and distant lands: repollitas, pastel de alberja, galletas, cariocas, pastel de gloria, paledonia con queso, and many others delicious are made with the love of always and are the leader of introduction of the people's Pamplona. There is historical and beautiful hotels. This one is located in front the obelisco of Plaza de la Almeida in Pamplona. Opening in 1955, it is the Calle de Cariongo Hotel is paired on the building with the most tradition and care-in customer service. The service offered be the hotel outside the loading at the bar, restaurant, and busing center. In this room you can find at least comfort, still Wi-Fi, private barroom, minibar, and TV. In short, it's a very good Pamplona lux option. There are 3 ways to from Pamplona or Bucaramanga to Pamplona: by public bus, taxi, or personal car. Welcome to Pamplona City. Thank you.